Conscious breathing humans, welcome back to another guided breathwork session, and today we're reconnecting with nature. We're going to do this by breathing into 3 different spaces at 3 different paces, really raising our vibration and heeding that call back to nature itself and all that is. Our first space and pace is lower belly, lower abdomen, nice and full, slow, really feeling it come up from underneath. Our second space and pace will be the heart space. A little faster, full breaths in and out the mouth. And our final space and pace will be the upper throat chakra, shallow and fast, really getting that energy rising before going into our breath for intention. So get comfortable now, make any adjustments you need to, as we get ready for round number 1 in 3, 2, 1. Deep, powerful lower belly breathing, feeling it rise from the earth every breath. Beautiful, grounded, deep breathing. We're going to move up to the heart space in 3, 2. Keeping the back straight, that foundation strong. Breathing deeply and beautifully into the heart space. Beautiful work. Now we're going to rise up from the heart space to the throat chakra, fast and shallow. In 3, 2, 1, breathe. Easing off slightly, let's get ready to take a full body recovery breath in 3, 2, 1, and full body breath in and to the top and squeeze and hold. Remaining here for an extended inhale hold, 20 seconds, feel that prana rise through the back of the spine. Keep holding, trusting this process. For releasing in 3, 2, 1, and coming into the body, connecting with nature inside you and outside of you. 30 seconds remaining. Okay, getting ready to take that full body recovery breath in 3, 2, 1, breath in. Squeezing here at the top before releasing in 2, 1. Beautiful. Make any adjustments you need to before getting ready for round number 2. Lower belly breathing in 2, 1. Every deep belly breath we take, we're raising our vibration, aligning ourselves with what is nature and all that we are. And moving from the lower belly to our heart space in 3, 2, breathe. Heart is fully open. Let's move up to the throat chakra. And 3, 2, 1, breathe. To round 2, we're looking to take a full body recovery breath in. 3, 2, in, and up and hold and squeeze. Beautiful work remaining here on this inhale, hold, relaxing, enjoying, being. Releasing into our 70-second exhale, hold, and 3, 2, release. Coming into the body and the now, becoming once again nature and all that is. Thirty seconds remaining. Now preparing to take that full body recovery breath in 3, 2, 1. Squeezing and holding before releasing in 2, 1. Beautiful. Make any adjustments you need to before starting in round 3. Lower belly breathing now. Shifting the prana from our diaphragmatic area upwards to the heart space. 3, 2, breathe. Again, the heart is fully charged, fully open. Time for the throat chakra. 3, 2, 1, breathe. Beautiful work. Coming to the end of our final round is taking a full body recovery breath in. 3, 2, breathe. All the way out. Squeezing here, squeezing the abdomen in. Let prana rise. Relaxing into the hold before releasing. 3, 2, coming into the body for our final 70-second breath retention. Falling deeper into the only moment there is, that's now. Enjoying this time with yourself. Thirty seconds remaining of this final hold. Finally taking a full body recovery breath in, and 2, 1, breath in. Squeezing here finally before releasing in 2, 1. Now settling back in now to our resting breath, slightly in and out through the nose, deep into the abdomen, but light and soft. Remaining here in this meditative state for as long as you would like. And after the music ends, remaining here is all you need to do. Thanks for letting me guide you once again today on this beautiful breathwork journey. Stay tuned to the channel for more. Join us at a Random Kiwi Voice on Facebook. But for now, team, stay safe, stay free, keep breathing. We'll see you again real soon. Peace.